Okay, 13. 13 is typical equation somehow you have fraction. So now, for example, the least common denominator is the first job. The LCD is, remember, you factorization 8, 7, and 28. 8 is 2 and 4, 2 and 2, 7 is prime number, and 28 divided by 2 is 14, divided by 2 is 7. And remember, for forming the LCD, you get the collection of the factor. We have 1, 2, 3, we have 1, 2. Remember, when there are repetition, you take the majority of them. And this not necessary. And 7, we have 1 here, 1 here. Again, we have repetition, you take majority of them. So basically is 2 is 8, 8 times 7 is 56. LCD is 56. Okay. Now multiplication. So in this moment the restriction, we have no restriction. Because we have no variable, it's just a number. So now multiplication, everything by 56, 56, 56, and 56, and when you multiply by 56, of course, you get a new equivalent equation with a fraction. So 56 divided by 8 is 7 times 7 is 49, minus 56 divided by 7 is 8 times 2 is 16, and 56 divided by 28 is 2x. And you're subtracting this guy, 33. We go to x divided by 2 because I want to solve for x. X is equal to 33 divided by 2, get the option D. Okay, the first step is find the least common denominator. The number or expression that we have in the denominator are 7, 14, and x. Okay, let's do in the factorization. 7 is prime, 14 is 2 and 7, and x is just x. Now I'm going to select the factor for forming the LCD is 1, 2, 1, 7, no 2, and 1x. The multiplication, everything is 14x. And the restriction associated with this problem is x must be different to 0. Now, multiplication, everything by 14x. 14x and 14x. Okay, 14 divided by 7 is 2 times a is 16x minus 14 divided by 14 is just x. X no, 13x, because this factor is 13. Equal, and x is 14. X divided by x is just 14. Now we combine, it's 3x. Equal 14 divided by 3, both sides. X equals 14 over 3. Get this answer. Okay, it is 15. Again, equation. Find the LCD. Okay, the only number or expression that we have in the denominator is x. Then the restriction associated with the problem is x must be different to 0. I multiply the whole thing by x. Multiply by x here, by x here, and by x here. We have x squared minus 7 equal 6x. So in this moment we have a quadratic equation. You put in standard form, minus 6x minus 7 equal to 0. And let's do in the factorization. The factorization is x, 7 and 1, negative 7 and positive 1. Therefore the solution is 7 and negative 1. The solution set is 7 and -1 que corresponde with the option A. Okay. Okay, 16 is easy equation and you solve it exactly the same. So the least common denominator is 3 times x plus 7 and multiply the whole thing by this. When you multiply this times this, it's obvious that x plus 7 cancels out, it's 3 times x minus 3. And when you multiply this and this, is 2 times x plus 7. You see the effect, guys? This looks like a cross multiplication. This times this and this times this. Now, this situation happens because this equation is a proportion. Proportion is equation like that. A over B is equal to C over D. And in this case, we can apply cross multiplication. However, when you have equation like that, okay, you have plus D over or E over F, we cannot apply cross multiplication. But when it's a proportion, yes, you can. Wait. I forgot something. I forgot the restriction. The restriction in this case is equal x must be different to -7 gets this value. Okay, the rest is cross distributive property. 3x minus 9 is equal to x plus 14. And you grouping the x in one side. For example, here is 3x minus 2x is equal 14 plus 9. So you combine, is only 1x equal 23. 23 is the option D. Okay, 17 is also proportion. But wait. First of all, we find LCD. LCD is obvious, is x minus 8 times x plus 4. And the restriction associated with this problem are x must be different to positive 8 and x must be different to -4. Okay, any solution equal to this is not valid. Now in this case, why no? It's a proportion, does it apply cross multiplication directly? Is on this. It's 4 times x plus 4 is equal to 5 times x minus 8. Now multiplication is 4x plus 16 is equal 5x minus 40. Okay, now grouping 4x minus 5x is equal to minus 40 minus 16. And negative x is equal to -56. Therefore, the value of the x when you divide by -1 both sides is 56. Now 56 of course is not equal to the restriction, then 56 is correct answer.